If we should give you 5 million naira grant, how would it improve? Like, what do you use it for?
Is this a question or
Yes, it's a question. If I should
give me 5 million
5
now
million naira to invest.
to invest?
Yes.
What will I use it for?
Yes. 5 million naira business challenge. In today's video, I'm going out to ask business owner how 5 million naira can change their business. If we should give you 5 million naira, how would you use it? Like, how would it improve your business?
In a very, very, very big way.
If we should give you 5 million naira to add to your existing business, how would it change your life?
That's really going a long way. Though we know things are quite expensive now, but 5 million really go a long way.
What's your business name, man?
Stavura. Starvura. Stavura.
All right. So, what do you do?
I make crochet and knitted wears. I also sell bedding.
All right. How long have you been in business?
Since 2018.
Since 2018. All right. That's a very long time.
December this year will make me 6 years.
Yeah. Which means you have a lot of experience. So, if we should give you 5 million naira, how would you use it? Like, how would it improve your business?
In a very, very, very big way, because right now I'm even looking for money. That's why I'm answering this.
All right.
Because there's this sea shipping business. I tried once and it worked for me. Yeah, I use them to get craft supplies.
Right.
These yarn, crochet, hook sets, like any kind of craft. Majorly crochet and knitting. Then some embroidery, beading, and all that. So once I get that kind of money, after removing God's parts, the next thing I'm thinking about is investing it in that shipping business.
How many percent is God's?
10%.
And what do you mean by God's part?
My tithe.
Your tithe?
And in my church, we usually do partnerships. So after removing my tithe, I can still, from inside, give partnership. It's a big money, so it's going to really go a long way.
All right. So, in a year interval, that's in 12 months interval, can you multiply times 2?
Yes. Because the first sea shipping I did, the rate with Naira and dollar, the way it's going up, it can work because these items come from China and Turkey, and because they usually come in bulk, and because it's sea shipping, it takes a lot of time, like 3 months before it arrives here. So we usually get it at a cheaper rate. Then we sell from the profits. I think in 1 year I can double the money.
Okay.
Because it's not just going to be here. I'll still do sponsored ad. I have an Instagram account. I can do sponsored ad, spend good money for sponsored ad so that other people would see and patronize. I should double it.
How sure are you that you can double it? What are the risk management strategies you are going to use?
The risk is very little because I've done a sea shipping before with a friend of mine. So the risk is very little, and these items are not perishable items that probably I'll be scared that within a period of time, if I don't sell it, I might not get the money or I will lose it. These are things that even though dollar is going up, it's even at my own advantage if I get it at a cheaper rate. So the risk is very little. I'm sure, like, I don't want to say 100%. Let me use 80% sure that I will get.
Sure
yes, I will get. Yes. By the special grace of God, yes, I can.
You like it to do inside. What's your business name, man?
Fobby space.
Fobby space. That's very nice. So, if we should give you 5 million naira to add to your existing business, how would it change your life?
That's really going a long way. Though we know things are quite expensive now, but 5 million really go a long way.
So, like, how will you spend the 5 million naira?
I will add it to my existing capital. Probably before now, I do go to Onitsha to get my goods. Sometimes I will be from Lagos. So adding 5 million to my capital will actually make me want to go down to Lagos myself. to sort for my goods.
Okay. So what are the things to sell? Is it only clothes? What are the things to sell
I
in the
sell
shop?
bags too.
Okay.
I sell shoes. I sell jewelry. These are the jewelry
Okay,
sets.
these are the jewelries.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the things I sell.
Okay. So how long have you been in business?
30th of April this month made me 2 years. Although I was doing an online business, the same business that was while I was in school.
Okay.
So when I finished my school, I had to open a physical shop. So this physical shop is 2 years and some days now.
2 years and some days now.
April 30th this month. Okay, last month made it 2 years.
Okay. So can you share with us some of the risks you have encountered during in the inside of this 2 years in business and how you manage them?
Okay, that was it early last year. I ordered some gin from my supplier who resides in Lagos. I've been to his shop just once. That was the first time I went to Lagos. Apart from that time I went to Lagos, I've actually been ordering gin from him. So last year, early last year, he called me. Okay, he tested me and he was like, he has new items. He sent me pictures and was asking if I was interested in getting any. So I saw some nice gin design that I liked and I sent him money. I didn't know he was already indebted to banks and some other customers. So trying to reach him, and then some students were signing out. So they sent me money to order gin for them. With their money with the one I sent to him, he ran away with the money and I could not even get the trace of him. When I sent someone, a friend of mine who sells in Balogu, to help me go look after the guy, he told me that he learned the guy has backed out and someone else has taken over his shop.
All right.
And even some banks were coming to, about 3 banks were coming to look for him.
All right.
So that is the most risk I've ever experienced.
So
in
how do
this
you manage the
business.
risks? How
It
how do you
wasn't
manage
really
it?
easy because the customers who placed an order, I just started then, like my business was just a year. They kept calling me, disturbing me to refund them their money. But with God by my side, I was able to pay up that money. It even made me left my current apartment. I just had to go to a lesser apartment because the money then was about 200 and something K.
All right. Thank you very much. So we giving you 5 million naira as a grant. Can you multiply it times two in the interval of 12 months, which is 1 year?
12 months, by God's grace, I should.
How?
Because I knew, because if such money is being given to me, like I said, I would like to go down myself to Lagos to sort for my items rather than ordering them, because ordering them, most times I buy from people who repost for other persons, so they also make their profit. So going there myself, I know I can get them a bit cheaper. And coming back here, most persons say they buy from Aba and Onitsha, and Lagos items like Lagos goods are usually different from what so many persons sell around here. So that will give me leverage, with what other persons are selling, mine is going to be different.
Okay. How long have you been in business now?
It's not up to 4 months.
Okay, just a new brand.
Yes.
Okay. So if we should give you 5 million naira grant, how would you improve? Like, what do you use it for?
Is this a question or
Yes,
that
it's a question. If I
you
should give you
give me 5 million
5
now
million naira to invest,
to invest?
yes,
What will I use it for?
yes.
I have a target now. Is it to open my business?
Can you share with us some of the things you do with the 5 million naira?
Yes.
Like,
For example, now I'll use it to rent a shop for myself.
yeah.
I'll use the remaining balance to decorate my shop. All the shelf, they are very, very expensive.
Okay.
Once I do them finish, then I will use the remaining one to go to market and get some drugs. Because I know that now drugs are very, very expensive. With 1 point something million, you can't even get one shelf like this.
Okay.
Yes. At least that's 5 million naira would be enough for me, at least to start.
So the shop and the arrangement of the shop, like how much would it cost you? Like to get a shop.
To get a shop now in this Choba is 120,000 for
Yes.
just one shop.
Okay. Then to furnish the shop, like how much?
Then to furnish the shop, it will be like, let me just say 50,000.
50,000 can furnish the shop.
Yes.
With all these stuffs.
No, not the chef is not included though. To furnish, like to put ceiling,
Okay.
fan and ties. Just
Okay.
keep it at 50,000. Then the chef and this thing, they will eat up to 500k.
Okay.
Because all these
500K.
foreign wood are very expensive.
Okay. So, like this 5 million naira now that you're going to invest into pharmacy business, right? In a year interval, that's 12 months. Can you multiply it times two?
Of course.
That's 14 million naira
Yes.
in a year interval.
Yes.
Ha.
It depends by from the area that you are. You know, like this area now is student area.
Yes.
In a week, I know how much we make here in a week,
Okay.
which I will not.
Okay. All right.
So it depends from the area. When there's market, before a year you can multiply it.
That's 14 million.
Yes.
Okay. So, what's the risk management procedure you are going to use? Because in every business there's risks, or you don't have risks in the pharmaceutical business.
There's risk.
So, how do you manage your risks?
For that, I don't know how to answer that question. It's for my boss because for me, I've not experienced anything like race since I started here.
Okay.
So it's my boss that will answer that one for me because he has been the one going through all this.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Once more, Peter by name, and you.
I'm Doris.
Okay. Thank you very much, man. I do appreciate it.
Thank
Welcome.
you.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're
I do
welcome.
appreciate it. Once
You're
more,
welcome.
Peter by name, and you.
I'm Avura.
Abura.
Yes, I'm the creative director.
Creative director.
Yes, yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it.
You're
That show is very
welcome.
nice.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much for your time. Once more, Peter by name, and you.
I'm Fobby.
All right. So, last, what do you have to tell our viewers?
You guys are doing a great job. Just keep it up.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Now that you have watched the video, feel free to notify us in the comment section of the person that has the best business idea for 5 million naira. And if you want me to visit you in your shop, in your business location for this kind of interview, feel free as well to drop in the comment section as well. And if this is our first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you very much.